Hey guys, what's up? Welcome to our brand new channel Tips and Tricks by Ritu. First of all, I ask you, do you have an Instagram account? If yes, then you may know about followers increase trend. In current situation, it's a show up for everyone, nothing else. So, today I am giving you a trick to increase or boost your Instagram followers. It's a very easy and simple trick, but don't skip this video because procedure should be correct for gain followers, okay? Each and every second of this video is important for everyone. So guys, to do this trick, you should have lots of Instagram fake account and fake email also. It's totally depending on you. If you have many Instagram account, then you will get more followers. So today I will giving you both ideas, how to create fake Instagram account and fake Gmail also. So okay guys, let's get started. First of all, we have to create a fake Instagram account. Or if you want to create more or multiple fake accounts, then it's okay. It's not a big issue. Even it's become helpful for gaining more followers, okay? So first open your Instagram app. After that, you should go to your profile. Then click your username, which is visible on your top right corner of your screen. Then click add a account. After that, click sign up button. After completing these steps, they can ask you a username. So here you can type any random username like me. Then you can see on bottom sign up with email or phone number. If you got that tab, then click here. Now this part, they asked your phone number, but you have to go for email. So click email. Now here you can need a fake email. So minimize your Instagram application and open your Google Chrome browser and search tempmail, TEMPMAIL. From this website, you will get a fake email which may help you to fill the OTP verification. But sometimes this website doing some error, so if you face them issue, then you can go tempmail application, which you simply get them from Play Store. Okay, so download it from Play Store, then use it. It's very simple. I will show you the application on Play Store. Also, I using this app for complete the further steps. I am using this app because of your simplicity. Okay, so let's go to the next step. Now copy this email from your temp mail and paste it on your Instagram email option. After completing this step, they giving you password fill option. So make a password, then place any date of birth and proceed these steps. That's it all. Your fake Instagram account is ready. Now let's come to the main point. It's time to gain followers. Okay friends, first of all, open your Google Chrome browser. Then type URL fansreal.net, fansreal.net. After typing this website, you will redirect to their page. There you have see select your language option. So select your preferred language. I already done it, so it's showing everything in English, but at the first time it's totally in other language. So I suggest you to select your own language. Then click login button, which easily you can find from this page. If you got the login button, then here you have to log in with your fake Instagram account, okay? But don't give your real account, otherwise I am not responsible for any kind of issue. Now you can see lots of options like send followers, send likes, send views, etc. So first we will send followers to our real account. So click on it. Now they ask for which account you want followers. So here we have to place our real account username. Before sending followers, I will show you my current followers because of some transparency. You can see my current followers. It's too weak, right? It's a new account to show this trick. So the followers become 0. But it's not an issue. Now I also get lots of followers by using this trick. So guys, let's time to do this. But guys, it takes lots of time. So I fast forward these steps and show you it's really work or not. Now you can see the step has been completed. So now let's see my followers is really increased or not. Hey guys, now you can see my followers numbers is totally increased from 0 to 700 plus followers. So it's a nice and awesome trick for you guys. So it's a right time to increase your followers to using this trick. Okay, so guys, do this trick and increase your followers in some few hours. So from today you can also gain lots of followers for your own account. So thank you guys to watch this video till to the end. If you like this video, then please hit that like button and share this video, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.